Using Storybird.com. First, click the blue Sign Up for Free box in the middle of the screen. Next, you will click Student. Create your Storybird student account by entering your username and password. Then, click the blue Create Account box on the bottom left of the screen. When you're finally signed in, click on the Create button all the way on the top left to begin creating your storybook. When you get to this page, choose which artwork you want to use based on what best fits your story. Once you finally found the right art, click the blue Use This Art button in the bottom right corner. Once you select a picture you like, a button will appear on the bottom right. I want you to choose Picture Book Multi-Page. When you get to this part, type the text of your story. Since you only have to complete one page tonight, once you are done, click the blue Save and Exit button in the bottom left corner.